Hello and good morning. For those of you that can hear me, here I am at Pistyll Rhaeadr Waterfall. It's absolutely beautiful. As you can see behind me, there's the very top of the fall. I've walked 80 meters. It's an 80-meter high waterfall. It's the largest single drop waterfall in the United Kingdom. I'm just watching where I step. If I turn the camera around, you'll see exactly what I mean. We walk down. You see exactly what I mean. That's where I came from. There's the village. There's the top. There you have it, top of the waterfall. Here is the route down from the waterfall. I've already done some of it. I forgot to press record, so I can only but apologise for my incompetence. But I thought I'd film the last little bit as we go. So this is what they're calling the quickest route. And then there's a little footpath over to the top there of the screen, which is the, I guess, the normal route. But this is pretty steep and pretty cool for a hike, to be honest. That wind is extremely refreshing too. So this is now coming down from the Pistyll Rhaeadr Waterfall, from the summit, 80 meters. I'm not sure, 260 something feet, I believe, something like that. Maybe I just made that up, who knows. But here we go, down, 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 down. See, these steps are ginormous. There's a big one. There's my foot. It's big, but it's a cool adventure nonetheless. Absolutely wicked. Beautiful trek, a beautiful hike to the waterfall. It's a beautiful summer day here in North Wales. I think that's the worst of it now, as we continue down back towards the base of the waterfall. We have a family coming up now. They're taking the normal route, as it were. go. Down we go. This gate is to keep the goats in, believe it or not. They have wild goats here. Now we're back in the forest. Absolutely stunning hike. Beautiful trek. Not something I'd recommend for young babies. You know, if you don't like walking, pregnant women, maybe it's a little bit steep. Can be a bit treacherous. I'd imagine it's quite bad and wet. So yeah, we're just down by those gates there. That's the bottom. But I will take you down to the bottom just to complete the hike. Here we go. Amazing. Look, he smelled nice. Look at the aftershave he's wearing. That was nice. Alright, here we go. This gate here. And there's a gate over there. So this is the little hut and tea rooms, which I'm going to have a nice coffee in a minute. Or maybe a nice cup of tea. And here we go. Trekking back through the bottom of the falls now, which I'm about to show you. I'm about to. Can you hear it? I'm deaf, and I can definitely hear the waterfall. Look at this, beautiful. And here we are. Down. At the waterfall. Thank you very much. Thank you.